Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I'm also a cryptocurrency researcher and investor. Today's topic is this: living off your dividends. Ladies and gentlemen, there's something I've discovered and there's something I'm working on, and it works for some people and it doesn't work for others. And what I'm working on is very, very simple. I'm trying to copy from the big boys in the industry, and the big boys in the industry are the rich and famous people in the Kenya market and most of Kenyan stock market. And what I've discovered is this: you can buy a lot of shares. The likes of Uhuru Kenyatta, they are doing this. The likes of James Mwangi, they are doing this. The likes of Gideon Muriuki of Scopebank, they are doing this. The likes of Ndegwas of NCBA Bank, they are doing this. They are buying large volumes of shares and they never sell. Now, after buying these large volumes of shares, what they do is very simple. They wait for dividends, and they get dividends to the tunes of billions of shillings. Well, I've not reached that level, and I may not get dividends to the tune of billions of shillings. But what I can do is very simple. I can get dividends to the tune of millions of shillings. And I've done some mathematics and discovered that if I make 1 million shillings every year, for 10 years, for 20 years, then I am able to get 20, 30, 40, 50 million shillings. Now with 50 million shillings, or let's say 100 million shillings, if you pump it in a given dividend stock, let's say Equity Bank, then you are able to make almost 5 million shillings as dividends, or 10 million shillings as dividends. Then next month you remove that money, then you pump it again in another dividend stock, then again you get some good money. Then after 2-3 months you've removed the money, you pump it again in another dividend stock, then you are able to get some good money. Now what I've discovered is this: every month, or rather every 2 months, your work is to remove the money from one dividend stock to another dividend stock. You get dividends, you move the money again, you get dividends, move the money again, get dividends, move the money again, get dividends. So every month, or rather every 60 days, you are moving the money and getting dividends. Moving the money and getting dividends. Moving the money and getting dividends. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have, let's say, 10 million or so, or 15 million or so, or 20 million or so, you don't need a job. You can be living purely on dividends. This is the mathematics I'm working on as an individual. This is the mathematics I'm hope to succeed in as an individual. This is the mathematics that I've tried as an individual, and I'm now telling you to try it out. I've not reached the 10 million mark. I'm working on it. I've not reached the 150 million mark or 20 million mark. I'm working on it. But what I'm sure is this: with such kind of money, the dividends are a sure deal. You see, 2 days back, I saw an article about Inua Jamii. About 1 million Kenyans are depending on the government for support. 1 million poor, old Kenyans, or let me say elderly Kenyans. They worked for 40 years, they worked for 30 years, they saved nothing, invested nothing, and now they have nothing. And now they have to depend on government to support them in their old age. Ladies and gentlemen, we can avoid such mistakes. We have time now to save, we have time now to invest, we have time now to grow wealth. And we don't have to depend on government in our old age to give us 2,000 shillings every month. We can avoid that tragedy. Call me, my name is Peter Oluoch. I'll talk to you, I'll guide you, I'll mentor you on the stock market and in cryptocurrency, and help you become a millionaire in 12 months. Otherwise, bye-bye. See you in the next video, and please remember to subscribe, like, share with your friends. If you belong to a church somewhere, call me. I will talk to the members of your church. I will talk to the people in your chama. I will talk to the people in your college. I will talk to the people in your investment club. Otherwise, bye. Oriti. God bless you and see you in the next video.